one AI tool could cut your editing time in half, another could write your scripts in seconds, and another could turn a simple idea into a viral YouTube video. In 2026, the smartest YouTubers aren't working harder, they're working with AI. These tools can help you write better scripts, edit faster, create thumbnails, generate voices, and grow your channel much quicker than before. In this video, we're revealing the top 10 AI tools every YouTuber must use in 2026 to save time, boost creativity, and take their content to the next level. Let's get started. 10. Descript. Edit videos like a Word document. Starting off our list at number 10 is Descript, and this tool genuinely changes the way you edit videos. Instead of cutting and trimming on a traditional timeline, Descript turns your video into a text transcript, and you simply edit the words to edit the video. Delete a sentence from the script, and that part of the video is gone too. It also has an AI overdub feature that can clone your voice. So if you made a mistake while recording, you can just type the correction and your AI voice fills it in. For YouTubers who spend a lot of time in the editing room, Descript is one of the biggest time savers on this entire list. 9. 11 Labs, the best AI voice generator out there. At number 9, we have 11 Labs. This is by far the most realistic AI voice generator available right now. If you make faceless YouTube channels, narration videos, or documentaries, 11 Labs gives you voices that sound completely human. You can clone your own voice for consistent narration, or pick from hundreds of different AI voices in multiple languages. The quality is so good that most viewers cannot tell the difference. For creators who do not want to record voiceovers every time, this tool is an absolute game changer in 2026. 8. Canva AI. Design thumbnails in minutes. Coming in at number 8 is Canva AI. Canva has always been a go-to tool for creators, but the AI features added in 2025 and 2026 have made it even more powerful. You can now generate entire thumbnail designs by describing what you want, remove backgrounds instantly, generate AI images directly inside Canva, and use the Magic Write feature to produce text for your designs. For YouTubers who are not professional designers, Canva AI bridges the gap perfectly and helps you create thumbnails and channel art that actually get clicks. 7. TubeBuddy AI. Grow your channel smarter. At number 7 is TubeBuddy AI. This is a browser extension that works directly inside YouTube Studio and helps you make smarter decisions about your content. The AI features help you find the best keywords for your videos, analyze what your competitors are doing, suggest tags, and even predict how well a title might perform before you publish. TubeBuddy's AI also gives you a health score for your channel and points out exactly what you need to fix to grow faster. If you are serious about growing on YouTube, this tool gives you data-driven insights that would otherwise take hours to figure out manually. 6. Opus Clip. Turn long videos into viral shorts. Number 6 on our list is Opus Clip. Short-form content is not going anywhere, and if you are not repurposing your long videos into shorts and reels, you are leaving a massive audience on the table. Opus Clip uses AI to watch your long-form video, find the most engaging and high-retention moments, and automatically clip them into short vertical videos ready to post. It even adds captions, reframes the video for vertical format, and scores each clip based on how likely it is to go viral. This saves hours of manual editing and helps you stay active across multiple platforms without extra work. 5. Runway ML. Next level AI video editing. At number 5, we have Runway ML, and this one is for the creators who want to push their production quality to the next level. Runway is an AI-powered video editing platform that lets you remove objects from videos, change backgrounds without a green screen, generate short video clips from text prompts, and apply cinematic effects with just a few clicks. It is the kind of tool that used to require a professional VX studio, and now any YouTuber can use it from their laptop. If you make any kind of cinematic, travel, or storytelling content, Runway ML will completely transform how your videos look. 4. vidIQ AI, the smart YouTube growth assistant. Number 4 is vidIQ AI. Similar to TubeBuddy, but with a different set of strengths. vidIQ uses artificial intelligence to help you understand what is trending on YouTube right now and how you can ride that wave. The AI Coach feature literally tells you what type of video to make next based on your channel's performance data. It generates title ideas, thumbnail concepts, and even full video outlines. vidIQ also shows you the exact keywords your competitors are ranking for, which gives you a huge advantage when planning your content calendar. For anyone who wants consistent growth on YouTube, vidIQ AI is one of the most practical tools on this list. 3. ChatGPT, your AI scriptwriter and idea machine. Coming in at number 3 is ChatGPT, and honestly, it could be argued to be even higher on this list. ChatGPT is the most versatile AI tool a YouTuber can have. You can use it to brainstorm video ideas, write full scripts, create engaging titles and descriptions, draft your email newsletters, respond to comments, build content calendars, and so much more. The latest versions of ChatGPT in 2026 are significantly more capable than before, with better reasoning, more accurate information, and the ability to browse the web for real-time data. If you are not using ChatGPT as part of your YouTube workflow, you are working 10 times harder than you need to. 2. Adobe Podcast AI, studio quality audio for free. At number 2, we have Adobe Podcast AI. And this one is specifically important for creators who record in less than perfect environments. Adobe Podcast AI has a feature called Enhanced Speech that removes all background noise, echo, and poor room acoustics from your audio in seconds. You can record your voiceover in a messy room with traffic noise outside. Run it through Adobe Podcast AI, and it comes out sounding like you recorded it in a professional studio. Clean audio is one of the most important factors in viewer retention, and this tool makes sure your audio never drives viewers away. 1. Synthesia, create AI and videos without a camera. At number 1, the top AI tool every YouTuber should know about in 2026 is Synthesia. This platform allows you to create fully professional AI-generated videos using digital human avatars, meaning you don't need a camera, microphone, or recording studio. Everything is done directly from your computer. The process is very simple. You just type your script, choose an AI presenter that looks and speaks like a real person, and the platform automatically turns your text into a complete video with a realistic avatar delivering your message. Within minutes, your video is ready to download and upload to platforms like YouTube. One of Synthesia's biggest advantages is its multilingual support. It supports more than 130 languages, allowing creators to produce the same video in multiple languages and reach audiences all over the world. This makes it extremely useful for YouTubers who want to grow internationally without recording separate videos for each language. Today, Synthesia is widely used by content creators, businesses, online educators, and marketing teams because it saves time and dramatically reduces production costs. Instead of hiring actors, renting studios, or recording multiple takes, you can produce polished videos quickly with AI. Those are the 10 AI tools that are changing how YouTubers create content in 2026. The right tools can save you hours of work and help your channel grow faster than ever. Which AI tools surprise you the most? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our future content.